Today we're walking through the Vanderpump Hotel, which is right next to the Flamingo and the Horseshoe, and across from Bellagio and Caesars. So if you're wondering where it's at, it's right there. Let's go take a walk through and see what it has to offer. All right, so you could either walk across from Caesars, take the new bridge to the Vanderpump Hotel, or come from the Horseshoe, take that bridge, and enter here. Let's go. We're gonna try to walk around in a circle, see as much as we can. Apologize we don't see everything, but try to show you as much as I can. Right now we got a Vanderpump car here. Not sure if it's part of the movie or just the art piece. You got the after hour. I think this is the access to the Draws After Hour, longest running nightclub in Las Vegas since 1997. Open Thursday to Sunday. Well, like I said, we're gonna walk against the wall because that's where everything is. And everything else is mostly table games, so we can't really record that. So we got Starbucks. Oh, nice, clean, new. Trying to look at all the restaurants and what shows they have here, or club apparently. We just found that out, and this is like a nice bar here. A nice little artwork of the shows. Vanderpump. There's a bunch of photos of her family, and wow, that's cool. Her wedding picture. Her husband. And her bachelor party. Right next to this bar here. Nice and fancy. Sorry, not sure what happened there. We got the sports book here. It's got nice new TVs. Some of the casinos are outdated. Not this one. We got like a little nice bar in here. Wow. We got the Vanderpump store. Oh wow. Vanderpump store has some drinks, some cups, some souvenirs. Obviously her t-shirts and everything like that. Souvenir store. Sorry, I keep on switching it. Not sure what I'm getting me. Alright. We got some of the souvenirs, cups, everything. Purses, Hammett, Anna Zucker, Man Luxury. The t-shirts. T-shirts are going for $35. We got a hats. $37. We got more stuff here. Shot glasses, hats. More Vanderpump stuff. We sell Ray-Ban and Gucci sunglasses as well. Okay. Let's see, what's this? This is the parking valet area. I wonder if this is also the Uber drop-off area. I'm not sure, but this is the Uber area too?
Uber pickup is going to be to the left of the garage.
Left of the garage. Okay, so left of the garage is the Uber area. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. It's like the check-in area. Wow. Fancy. Wow. Wow. Shows all the decor. Wow. That's a really nice lobby area. I've never really seen something that nice. One thing she knows what to do is she definitely knows how to decorate. That's what people love about Vanderpump. She knows to make her stuff feeling nice, comfortable, and looks really classy, but I don't know how to explain it. She's got a unique design to her. Like I said, it's just a simple square. Little photo op area. You can take a little photo op here. Alright. Like I said, it looks like the middle is pretty much just table games. And on the sides are the hotel elevators. And then slot machines to the left. Jose. Got a bar over here. And it looks like we got a area to the hotel elevators, Horseshoe, Paris. On Gaidia, sorry I can't pronounce her name. For her restaurant. She's partnered up, I guess. Let's see what that looks like. I'll show you guys a quick clip. Wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah. We have something already here. All right, cool.
Oh, wow. Wow. Really nice. Beautiful restaurant. Wow. Very nice. Has she always been here?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Even with Cromwell?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I believe over 12 years or about 12 years.
Oh, I thought it was just at Caesars. Didn't you? She was at Caesars, wasn't she?
Yeah, she has another one over there, but it's more of like appetizers.
Oh.
Like tapas.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, apparently she always been here. I just never knew. Well, you can exit here, walk to the strip if you want to. Open for dinner daily. All right, so we're back where we started. Like I said, it's not a very big hotel. we're back at that car, and I'll just start to show you guys where we, another exit, I guess. Oh, Soleil's beach area, the pool area that was closed. All right, so basically, this is the area here, Flamingo area, and our other Vanderpump Pinky's restaurant right across the street there at Flamingo. So that is the Vanderpump Hotel. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys stayed there, what you guys thought about the room. Comment down below if you guys stayed at the rooms, what it's like. And I'll be staying here too, so make sure you stay subscribed. And I'll give you guys a review once I stay here and what the rooms are like and how experience goes. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you comment down below, hit that like button real quick to show you stayed this far. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.